What is up guys, Alex D back in another video. Today I got my hands on the Tribit Stormbox Blast. This is like a boombox, but it is Bluetooth and everything. These are the main key specs. It is IPX7 waterproof, 30 hours long battery life, beaten driven LED, and colossal sound, whatever that means. I'm not sure, but we are gonna test this out. I just got this in the mail today, so we are gonna be unboxing it. I got my knife again, since you guys know I'm in my new house. I don't have anything yet, but I do got this in the mail because we are upgrading from our other speaker. So yeah, we're gonna be doing an unboxing. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you in the unboxing. So we don't actually need knives, so I could just pull this out right here. Surprisingly, I did not need knives because these tapes are actually easier to come off. So we pull these two little orange latches, and here comes the top. Thank you for choosing Tribit. Please be assured that while we always stand behind our brand, if you have any questions regarding our products, please email and then all that stuff. So we have Stormbox Blast, brighten up your party. So this actually does have some LEDs. I'm pretty sure it corresponds and like matches like with your music and the bass and everything. So over here, I'm pretty sure this is a box of accessories, maybe the charger, maybe a spare few parts, screws. I don't even know how this works yet. But here is the boombox. So I only have one hand, so I'm gonna take this off camera and I'll come back. So this is how the packaging looks like. It's pretty cool. It looks like one of those JBL boomboxes, if you guys know what I'm talking about. Here is the Bluetooth pair, turn on volume. I'm not sure what this middle one is, but we are gonna unbox the plastic and I'll catch back to you guys later. So this is the three things that come in the box. We got the speaker, which is the most important part. It comes with a nice handle over here, which shows the branding with a nice grip. We have our control panel over here. We have bass control, brightness, whatever this is. I'm pretty sure it's the lights on the side. We have some, I don't know what these called, are like subwoofers or whatever they are. This is the things that move around. I'm not a speaker professional. But over here is where you charge. It is waterproof, so this is how it is. There's an aux input. We have a USB-C output, 5 volts, maybe if you want to charge your phone. And this is how you charge the speaker. And as you can see, it is waterproof, IPX7. So it is pretty good if you accidentally throw it in a pool, but I don't recommend this maybe sitting inside the pool or in a like bathtub or whatever you're going to use this for. Just don't keep it in the water. And over here we have the charger and just a quick start manual and instructions. So yeah, I'm gonna turn it on and we're gonna see how it looks like. As you can see, I just turned it on and it automatically goes in pairing mode. Since pairing mode and Bluetooth is known for being blue, as you can see, the whole system turns blue. This is a charger for it. It's like one of those AC adapters, one of those ones for Xboxes, scooter chargers, everything. As you can see, it's blue right here and here. We have these two speakers and then subs on the side. I'm pretty sure that's what they're called. And then we have our whole panel on the back. This whole thing is the only thing that lights up, but it does give some good reflection. I'm gonna go turn off the lights and show you how it looks like. So this is how the speaker looks like. The lights are pretty bright, as you can see. I'm pretty sure you can't really see it on camera well because, of course, you can't really see lights on camera in the first place. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And as you can see, the light is on. The speaker does also give like a startup sound, like a Windows computer. It gives some sound and everything. And yeah, this is how it looks like. And maybe in the next video, we're gonna try to give a little sound test. We're gonna try some music, maybe try the bass and everything. But this is how it looks like because this video is mainly the unboxing. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below, and we'll see you all in another video.